Yo, what's up, J Crew? Back with another of these vlog things. This bathroom smells like complete dog shit. So we're trying to make some other freaking food. What did?
Mac and cheese.
Bongo. Wait, you gotta boil the thing for the.
Yes, you boil the water in mac and cheese, and then you add butter. And
We don't have butter, fam. Okay, whatever. Well, she's doing that. I'm doing this Swaggo, like homemade pizza with like a piece of bread. So, yeah, let's get into it. Wait, how long does it take? Wait, hold on. We need to do the Googles. Hey Google, how long does it take to cook pizza?
an hour.
According to our everyday life. Baking time. In general, pizzas take between 8 and 15 minutes to bake.
Yeah.
8 minutes?
What are you talking about?
8 minutes?
8 to 15 minutes.
50?
15. Yo, man, these people are amateurs. Don't know what they talk about. But you get off your phone, man. All right, so I'm gonna do this. She's doing that. A goo. So we got the pepperonis. We got the el queso from Mexico. And we're struggling to open this fucking can of tomatoes. So.
Where?
What the I don't. Bro, why you scare me like that? Yo, get us out this kitchen, man. We need help. What the fuck, man? Alright, so I'm just test running. Oh yeah, it's on. Okay, boys. Okay, boys. Okay, boy. Okay, boy. Okay, boy. Zoom. Oh, look at this idiot, man.
I don't know if that's...
Fang, you're just making this dirty the wall even more dirtier.
It's already dirty.
Oh yeah. Don't make it more dirty. What's wrong with you? I think it is sticking, bro, because I don't see any like I don't see no macaroni on the floor. Ooh, and it's raining outside too. See the update. Focus. Yo, that mac and cheese looking motherfucking. Actually looking pretty good. What the hell, man? Look at it. Zoom. Look at that. You're playing with the food, man. Look at you. So. Oh, Jesus. So. It appears that it is cooking and the cheese is melting. Oh my gooey, I am a chef. Call me, what's that dude's name? Gordon Ramsay?
Josh Peck.
Who the fuck is Josh Peck? Who that? I don't know. I don't care.
Oh, I see it coming.
For Yo, this is looking kind of yums right now. Y'all see this? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yo, also, check out the fit. Little FOTD, you know what I'm saying? Cute little jazz, you know what I'm saying? Looking like young thug out here in these streets. Hurry up so we can actually eat this stuff. Dude, that's looking yums right here, bro. That's looking good. Oh my gooey. That looking yums. Alright, so I can't wait any long. So looking yums. I'm gonna take a bite on this, bro. I'm gonna take a bite of this and I'm gonna see how it turns out. Hold on. Are y'all with it? Yo, this shit hard. That shit tastes amazing right there, bro. Bro, I am a chef out here in the street. Bang, 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 bang.
Wait, should I keep stirring or you think it's good?
Hold on, let me see.
There's not much shit.
Yeah, it looks good. Ooh. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's go eat. So yeah, guys, see, we got our little dishes ready. The mac and cheese about to get ready. Yeah, it's looking pretty swaggo if I say so myself. If I say so myself. You can use your spoon. Dude, that's a lot, man.
That's just a plate.
That's a lot, man. Did you use everything?
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you? I don't know about all that shit, but yeah, just like, no, don't be Dumbo. Just fill it, just let it fill with water. And then we'll just like, we'll eat it. Yeah. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. We about to eat. That's off, right?
Yeah, put those things back on.
Alrighty. You feel me? Bruh, that was delicious. That was delicious. Oh my god. So I don't know what this was. I just wanted to record me making food or us making food. Make sure to tune in on Let's Talk About It. Peace out, guys. Peace out.